I've been a bit under the weather lately, but that hasn't stopped me from keeping tabs on the DJI Mini 5 Pro leaks. To be honest, the info drip has been pretty light so far. We still don't have any confirmed numbers on things like flight time, speed, or wind resistance. The real meaty specs are still under wraps. What we do have, though, is way more interesting than the promo images we checked out last time. According to Jasper Ellens, he spotted a European web shop listing that actually showed 3 different Mini 5 Pro bundles, complete with product photos and descriptions. Here's what was spotted. The standard Mini 5 Pro with the RCN3 priced at $819, the Fly More combo with RCN3 at $1,029, and the Fly More combo with the DJI RC2 controller at $1,159. That's just a small bump compared to the Mini 4 Pro. And considering the leaks we've heard about, a possible 1-inch camera sensor and LiDAR obstacle avoidance, most people expected a much steeper price jump. Looks like DJI is keeping this drone fairly accessible while still packing in some serious future-ready features for those looking to upgrade. So here's how I see it. If you're thinking long-term, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the smarter upgrade. But the Mini 4 Pro is still a very solid option, especially if you manage to grab it on sale. Now about that unboxing video, yep, it's already out. An Indian YouTuber got early hands-on with it, and I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. But honestly, there's nothing groundbreaking in it since we've already covered most of what's shown. And then there's the launch date. Ellens mentioned September 16th, but he's also seen screenshots pointing to retailers holding embargoes until the 18th. DJI does have a habit of launching products on Thursdays, and guess what? The 18th is a Thursday. So unless they surprise us with an earlier teaser, I'm leaning toward the 18th as the official drop date. Either way, we're right around the corner. And of course, the second something new leaks, I'll keep you updated. That's all for today's video. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.